How the fuck are we doing, Pomona? We're the white noise from Los Angeles. It's been a long fucking tour, and it's good to be home. Let's have some fucking fun. Let's get that bit going. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the shit show. Let's have a good fucking time today. It's the last day on Warped Tour. Live it like it's your fucking last, cause you don't know when it really will be. This fucking song is about how some people may say that they love you, but it does not mean they want the best for you. And you need to realize that. And realize that in this life, you are the most important fucking person in the world. You matter the most. Don't let anyone fucking hold you back. This song goes out to every ex you've ever had. This is called Picture It. I'm trying to hear you out, but the writing's on the wall. I turn my phone off, but I know you're gonna call. So call my friends, so call my friends, it's yours to say. I get myself on fire now. Let's get those middle fingers in the air as high as you can. And for those of you without your fingers up, here you go. It's been a long fucking tour. 58 goddamn fucking days. And we're back home with our people, so thank you for showing up. Thank you for making our set. I know there's plenty of bands you could be watching, but you're watching us and that means everything. Thank you. So, if you've heard of The White Noise, you may have heard that we just released a new album, right? June 23rd, we released an album called AM PM. If you do not own that album, after this set, walk to that fucking tank and pick that shit up for $5 today. Not 10, not 15, $5. Hey Brendan, can you hear me? Brendan, $5. Buy that shit for $5. Sorry Fearless, sorry everyone, we don't make money anyway. You know it. Fucking love you, Bob. $5. So the song is called Bite Marks. If you know it, help us out. Come on, hands up, let's see them. Off your feet. Now. Hey, Lily.
Just like last time, by the weather, I close my eyes.
Sinking your teeth into me, let me bleed, Caught in a debt to you, I feel so black and blue. So serving for days, I'm rolling, now I'm so black and blue. Now I'm so black and blue. No, no.
Just like last night.
Let's go! Sinking your teeth into me, let me bleed. Dying of death to you, I feel so black and blue. Scorping for teeth, I'm going, now I'm so black and blue. Isaac, feel the sweat drip down your neck with sudden sweat. I'll take you to the road.
Make some noise for our boy Christian. He's a tech for Strong Out. He's helped us out so much this fucking tour. It's unreal. So make some fucking noise. All right. So I had an interview earlier, and they actually asked me some real questions, and I was very excited for that. And they asked me what I think about the world today and about all the PC shit going on. Here's what I gotta say. You can be any fucking thing you want. Black, white, brown, it doesn't fucking matter. You can be gay, straight, bi, it doesn't fucking matter. But when you segregate yourselves to those groups and hate everyone else for not accepting you, that makes you no better than them. So today, from now on, when someone looks at you like you're a piece of shit, I want you to do this and say, have a great day. That's how we're going to change the world, not by yelling at people for being wrong. This song is about me getting a little too drunk and a little too fucking naked at a show, and the promoter not liking me for it. And you know what? We all make mistakes, just don't do it again. This song is called Rated R. Thank you so fucking much. We have one more song for you. What? We'll figure it out. Oh yeah, we have two more songs. Never mind. Sorry, I got a little high today. Oh yeah. Anyway, after this set, if you get a chance, please stop by our merch tent. We'll be there about 15 minutes after we finish. We'll be signing whatever, dicks, asses, titties, anything. Just come say hi. Let us know you're here. Let us know that you fucking matter, because we love you so much, California. So, this next song is about California. How many natives do we have here? Who was born and raised? Oh shit. Alright, well we weren't. We moved here about 4 years ago. And this is what California looked like to us. This song is called I Lost My Mind in California. Your mind, cause you hate the rain. Now you're thinking you should move out to LA. Like the world will change, everybody grow up. Get smart, talk about how we used to think. It's so hot now every time we go out, but you act like you like it. I'd rather go home, get stoned, maybe get too drunk. Meet me out in California. guys have been fucking incredible. Make some noise for yourselves. Wait, where are we? Pomona, LA, whatever. Make some fucking noise. And real quick, I know we're always rushed on fucking time, but I want to thank Sick of It All, Bad Cop, Municipal Waste, Fire from the Gods, Valiant Thor, TSOL, The Adolescents, Strung Out, War on Women, Sack Like Pancakes, Twilight Creeps, Barbed Wire Dolls, Microwave, Sonic Boom 6, Ailstorm, and William Control. Those bands have been on this stage and that stage all summer. The best fucking people I've ever met. The most supportive musicians I've ever met. Please watch everyone you get to. Oh yeah, we have our beautiful ladies from Dolskin here today. Please check them out. This is our last song. How many people work a 9 to 5 every fucking day? Or how many people feel like they're stuck in the same fucking bullshit every day? So this song is about getting out of that bullshit. I'm living fucking proof. I work corporate. I made 40 grand a year. And you know what it did for me? Nothing. I ain't even come. This song is called Cosmopolitician. That fucking skilless motherfucker. Pomona, circle pit. Circle fucking pit. Yeah!